Well, yes, this is an automatic monthly calendar, meaning today's date is today, and the first of the month is always going to be the first of whatever month we're in right now. This is using the EO month or end of month formula, saying, hey, what's the end of the month today, actually? Nope, never mind, -1, meaning what's the end of the month of last month? Just add one day to that and get the first of the month. Then based on that, we're going to see what is this first week. Here we can see this formula is taking the end of the month today, -1 plus 1, which is the first of the month, subtracting whatever weekday is the end of the month, +1 plus 2, and you'll see that gets the correct date. And all of this weekday is saying what is the actual day of the week of the first day, and then we're going to add 1 to that, and we're going to subtract that from the very first day of the month. So in this particular month, our first is on a Saturday. So this weekday formula is coming in very handy. Well, that's how we set up the automatic monthly calendar, but we want to make it look nice. So we're going to do that right now. We're just going to put some squares around each of these 2 cells that are the day, and then a blank cell for whatever you want to add here in the calendar. But we're going to do one extra thing. We're going to really make this automatic. We're going to create a new tab for every month on the first of the month. Because on the first of the month, we're going to have the whole month here. And we're going to try to make it so that it becomes not automatic, right? So if we just created a new tab, duplicate it, we're going to have a copy of it, but this is still going to have the same formulas in it, and so they're always going to be updated. But we don't want to update it. We want it to be automatic, to make a duplicate of this template every month, but not have these formulas. So how are we going to do that? Well, I'll show you. We're going to go up to Extensions, App Script. We need a few variables. We're going to create new month. Our variable is template. That's the sheet we're going to copy. Spreadsheet app.getActiveSpreadsheet, get sheet by name, template. Template.copy to where? This exact spreadsheet. We're going to set the name. Now this is going to be interesting. Let's create a variable called month name. Utilities.format date. And what is the date? Well, it's going to happen on whatever today's date is, which will be the first of the month. I'll show you how to set that up at the end. We'll set a trigger. We're going to get the time zone from this spreadsheet, and then we're going to format it. Well, how are we going to format this? There is this list of formats, and we just want the month in the year. And we want the whole month name there, M. But it's not just going to be M. It's going to be 4 M's. And then we also want the year, Y, 4 Y's. Let's save this, and actually let's make sure our variable month name is the set name of this template or this copy. Save, and let's run it. Let's make sure we're on the correct formula or function. Click Run, authorize it. We're going to see if we have any errors. We don't. Let's go back to our sheet. Did it correctly copy it? It is November, but here's the bugger. Here's the tough part. It still has all the formulas. How are we going to do this? Well, we want to, what is the name of this sheet? We have it. It's this month name. So let's go variable new sheet equals spreadsheet app, get active spreadsheet, get sheet by name is going to be the month name, that variable. And here we're going to do new sheet. Actually, we're going to do spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet, get sheet by name, new sheet, get range. We're going to get the range of B1 for first. Let's do that first. Get value. And here we'll call this variable B1 equals this. So we'll get the value of that. And then we're going to get that exact same range again. We're going to clear it and then set value. So what we're doing is we're getting the range value. We're clearing it and setting the value. But we can actually get this very quicker. We can say range B1 and just get the range, and do range B1 set value of range B1 get value. Let's save this, and let's actually test this out by deleting our existing sheet. Now we just have the template, and we're going to run it. Oh, we just need the month name there. That's the error we're getting. We're getting a null because we're not using this. We don't need that. Let's try to run that again. Oh, we have a sheet already. Let's go and delete those and try running again. Let's check our November. B1 is just the value. So let's do that with B2 as well. And we can take B1, just select it, do Command D 4 times, and do B2. There, that gets us B2. Now, we also need, we have to get A4 to G4. Then we're going to have to do one extra thing, A4, G4, A4 colon G4. And we need to get set values and get values and make sure they're the correct range. And let's run this again to just test it, see if it works. Okay, run. Go to our new sheet. These are the correct values of B2, B1 and B2, and A4. And we can see we still have a formula in 6, 8, and 10, but these formulas all go off of these particular cells. So we don't actually have to change those at all. Those formulas are good to go. They won't change because this cell, A4, won't change. Pretty cool, right? So that's it for our automatic monthly create a new month from our template. Set values only, not the formulas. Fantastic, right? We created an automatically monthly calendar that's automatic within the calendar and automates every month. The one thing we have to do is actually automate this every month. Go over to triggers, add trigger on the bottom right, choose which function to run, choose event source, time driven. We're going to do a month timer. Select day of the month first. It's already first. And then select the time of the day. I'm going to just select not after midnight, but after 1 to 2 a.m. Click Save. Now I want to give you one extra thing to look out for or to edit and make sure that it's correct. Is in your sheet, you have file settings, you have a locale, and a time zone. Mine's on Hong Kong for some reason. Make sure it's the time zone you want to save your settings. Go into your app script, also on the left side, project settings, and make sure you have the exact same app script time zone, because this app script time zone is going to be what runs that automation. So we can go up to, not Hawaii, not Mountain, not Central, there's Eastern, there's New York. Okay, we've saved that, and file settings, and make sure those two are the same. It's okay, actually, if they're on purpose different, but just know that your automations are going to be running based on your app script time zone, but your sheet, the cells, are going to be updated based on this time zone in your spreadsheet settings. So that's a big thing to look out for. Thanks for watching. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.